Before we start, let's take a moment to define some of the terms being used in this problem. The points r, s, and t, u. Remember, points are referred to as ordered pairs, and when you work with ordered pairs, the first value is your x value and the second value is your y value. And further, recall the xy plane. That is where the horizontal x-axis meets the vertical y-axis. And finally here, since r, s, t, and u are all less than 0, that is to say since they're all negative, remember on the xy plane, negative x values are to the left of the y-axis and negative y values are below the x-axis. In other words, all our points, wherever they lie, are going to lie in this quadrant right here. Now the question, of course, is what's the slope of the line that passes through our 2 points? The difficulty, of course, is that we don't know precisely where these points lie. We know they lie in this quadrant, but we don't know specifically where they are. For example, r, s could be here, and t, u could be here. And if we were to draw a line between them, you can see how we would have a positive slope. But conversely, if r, s were to be here and t, u to be here, and again we were to draw a line between the 2 points, we'd end up with a negative slope. In other words, we don't even know whether the slope of our line is positive or whether it's negative. And if that's the case, quantity A could be bigger than quantity B, but it also could be less than quantity B. And remember, anytime there's an inconsistent relationship between the 2 quantities, that means the correct answer is going to be D, because there's simply not enough information to know what the relationship is.